Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a PayPal account without a phone number. First, you will need a reliable email address to start the registration process for your new account. This email will become your primary identifier and the main channel for all account communications. Ensure your chosen email is secure and that you maintain full, consistent access to it. We will explore how email verification takes center stage during the setup, effectively replacing the need for a mobile number. This approach maintains your privacy. Your email address serves as the foundation of your PayPal account when you are not using a phone number. After inputting your details, PayPal will send a verification link directly to this email. You must click this link to confirm your account and proceed with the setup. This step validates your identity and ensures only you can access the account. Strong email security, including two-factor authentication on your email provider, is highly recommended. Beyond email, PayPal often requires additional information to fully verify your identity, especially without a phone number. You will be asked to provide a valid physical mailing address. Linking a bank account or a debit card is another crucial step. PayPal may perform small test transactions, often just a few cents, to confirm ownership. Once these small deposits appear on your statement, you will enter the amounts back into PayPal to complete the verification. For an added layer of privacy, or if you prefer not to use your main bank details, virtual debit cards can be a valuable option. Many banks and third-party services provide virtual card numbers linked to your existing accounts, which can be used for verification. Prepaid cards with a verifiable balance and a registered billing address are also acceptable. Just ensure the billing information matches the address you provided to PayPal for a smooth verification process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.